Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, we get to finally pick through one of these boxes. It's the 21st box. I love, oh, this is a little bit different. So it's not the hand-drawn pictures, but it's more watercolor painting style. Oh, and then we get back to the normal, kind of the digital art. That's cute. What is this going to be? I don't know. It's not a jelly roll. Maybe a honey bun, maybe a small roll of something. Maybe a rolled fat quarter pack. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I never know. Nope, didn't see that coming. That's going to be the new... I should have started guessing from the very beginning. This is horrible. What am I not going to guess right today? All right, he's cute. So he's got a little wood button on the bottom, and it's wool. And it's a gnome. I'm assuming I could put pins in here because he's wool. So you got the pins from the previous gifts. Yeah, those go in really nicely. I mean, as atrocious as that is to use this for pins, you totally could. He's a good like 5 inches or so tall. So he's actually pretty tall. That's kind of fun. So the pins don't come with it, but you had pins in an earlier box. So, but yeah, he's cute.